If you are a content creator or designer, you need stock images for your projects. Some royalty-free sites are free to use, but they are oversaturated, and some demand a huge amount of money to buy images. AI image generators come into play here. With several AI image generators, you can create amazing images from text prompts. However, today, I will introduce a platform called Imagine Anything AI, where you can generate and download images and use them commercially. Let's dive in. This is Imagine Anything AI. To access it, you have to visit imagineanything.ai or click on the link from the description. Once you are here, you will find a vast number of images in different categories, such as food, cartoons, watercolor, illustrations, clipart, coloring pages, t-shirt designs, and many more. Just select the category you need, and you will find all the images in the selected category. Once you select a category, you can sort them by new, popularity, or likes from here. Pretty awesome, right? In this method, you can find the best images. There is another method to find your desired images. You can use the search option. For example, I am typing kitty. You can see all the kitty images here. Now you can download any one of them to use in your project. For example, if you want this awesome t-shirt design, click on it. You'll see the prompt, the tags, the category, and the version that has been used. Flux Pro, the best model as of now. The license will be right here, which means that the image is royalty-free and can be used for commercial or personal purposes. Now, if you want to download the image, click on the download icon from here. If you are new to Imagine Anything AI, you have to create an account to download the images. Simply sign in with your Google account, and you are ready to generate or download images. Once you're logged in, you will get 10 free downloads and generation credits. If you need more, you have to buy a premium or deluxe plan. Both plans allow unlimited downloads and generations, but the deluxe plan has some extra features. Alright, so now you can download images from Imagine Anything AI and use them for commercial purposes. Now let's talk about how you can generate your own images. To access the text-to-image generator, simply click on the Generate Image button from here. This is the Imagine Anything AI image generator interface. It's quite simple. Here in this box, we have to enter the text prompt. For example, I am typing, a digital artwork of a warrior with a horse. It's a very simple and poor prompt. However, you can enhance the poor prompt using the Refine Prompt feature. You can see that the AI created a highly detailed prompt from the simple one. That's amazing. Now you can hit the Generate button to generate the image. Before that, let's see what they are offering in the advanced settings. This is basically to select the image generation model. Here you can generate images using the three most powerful models: Flux, Stable Diffusion, and Ideogram. Flux is the default one. Let's try one by one. First, on the Flux model, you can set the steps, which means how many steps the AI will follow to generate the image. More steps will generate higher quality images, but don't increase it too much as it can distort the image subject. After that, guidance. If you move the slider to the right, it will follow the prompt more closely, and if you slide it left, it will be more creative. In the end, you will find the interval option. My suggestion is to set all the settings to moderate values, but you can play around with them. Okay, once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Now, it will take some time to generate the image. So, let's fast forward this part. And here it is, our image is ready. Now, if you click on the pencil icon from here, you will be on this page. Here you can change the aspect ratio of the image. Once your aspect ratio is set, hit the Save button. To download the image, you can click on the Download button from here. If you want to find your generated image, simply click on the profile icon and then select your profile, and you will get the images you downloaded. Now if you click on it, you will find all the information about the image, like prompt, tags, category, and model version. Like before, you can click on the Download button to download the image. Alright, let's come back to the image generator interface. This time, I will use the Stable Diffusion model to generate the image. In the prompt section, I will use the same prompt used to generate the previous image. Alright, after entering the prompt, come to the settings. Here, first of all, set the scale and then sampler and samples. After that, set the guidance preset and steps. In the end, set the style preset. You should play around with them to find the best settings for an image. Okay, after everything is set, hit the generate button. After waiting some time, we got these results. As we selected 2 from the sample option, it generated 2 images for us. And the result is pretty good. Now you can download any of them. Alright, in the end, we have Ideogram. The Ideogram is one of the most capable image generation models. After selecting the Ideogram model, you have to choose a style type. This time, I will go with Auto. Okay, now I am entering the same prompt and then clicking on the Generate button. Now we have to wait a little bit. And here it is. The image is ready. It's really pretty cool. So now you can generate amazing images using Flux, Stable Diffusion, and Ideogram image generation models on Imagine Anything AI. After a deep analysis, I found that the Flux model is best for generating realistic and text-based content. Stable Diffusion is best for graphics. And Ideogram AI is best for design and text-based content. So use whichever one you need. In conclusion, if you are searching for an AI image generator that allows you to use AI-generated images for commercial purposes, then you can use Imagine Anything AI. It has a vast library of images and the 3 most powerful image generation AI models. So, you can generate or download any kind of image and use it for your project. If you are worried about the aspect ratio, then you should buy the deluxe package for only $14.99 per month. Alright friends, I will wrap up the video now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching.